Since the COVID-19 pandemic began, countries, governments, businesses and people have come together in an effort to get through this. The very best of humanity's kindness, resilience and bravery has been on display. People putting others in front of themselves time and time again to help, to care and to push through this together. As the light appears and we begin to ease out of lockdown into some semblance of reality, it's time to take stock and look back. Many industries, businesses and workers were unable to operate during the lockdown, and we have relied on these people to stay home, helping to reduce the spread of COVID and protect their community. We have also relied on the essential infrastructure to keep the UK operating through services and businesses that keep the cogs of the nation moving, an army of workers supporting those unable to work. Advanced is proud to have supported essential sectors throughout the pandemic, providing critical power solutions to services from hospitals to takeaways, from data centres to prisons, and everything in between. Advanced has been right by their side every day. It's with thanks to the swift, proactive nature of Advanced and the 200+ strong team that has ensured our ability to continue to operate safely, constantly evolving the business and its procedures, whilst keeping in line with the most up-to-date information, has built a working environment where staff feel safe to do their jobs. As the virus first started to sweep the country, the main focus was on hygiene and reducing the spread of the virus. Advanced created a bubble where our staff felt safe to come to work by instantly adapting the workplace and procedures in line with the latest government advice. 20-second hand washing was introduced and encouraged. Sanitizer stations and face masks were made available. 2 meters social distancing was encouraged and the workplace was adapted to help. Temperature checking on arrival was introduced, including staff and all other personnel on site. Visitors are required to confirm they have no symptoms and haven't travelled abroad recently prior to arriving on site. Cross-site travel was minimised. COVID risk assessments were implemented, constant liaising and visits from the council to ensure our workplace adhered to the latest COVID-safe standards. We were the first business locally to introduce weekly staff testing. Thanks to these efforts, Advanced has continued to flourish during the pandemic and not lose a single day of production, all whilst keeping everyone involved safe and without having to furlough a single member of staff. This past year more than ever, we're proud to be Advanced.